Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 20 tutorial on taking a screenshot. But I'm going to show you some extras here that you probably don't know about. Here's some video footage of my phone. I was doing a review on these special gloves, touchscreen gloves, and let's get a spot where we want to get capture. That right there is good. Alright, so make sure it's set the best full. If it's not set the best, I'm having a hard time talking, guys. I got this sore at the end of my tongue. It's making it very difficult to talk. So make sure it's set to best full. Anything lower, you have a real small thumbnail. So you want a 1080p thumbnail set to best full to get your full resolution. Now you have the other two options up here. You have copy, clip shot, snapshot to clipboard, snapshot to clipboard, and snapshot to file. You have paint running, so let's do it. We want this image right here. So let's copy this to clipboard. Go to paint. Control V. And you make your thumbnail from here or wherever. Or you can go here. Snapshot the file. Just do it right here. Just show up the media bin up here. So that's what you have to do to take a screenshot or image capture in Vegas Pro 20. We'll work in older versions as well with a copy to clipboard and save the file. Actually, I like copy to clipboard for making thumbnails for YouTube. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Natty Design Studio. You can be here too. Link below.